trees.
Like trying to dig bottles. Look
These
down there.
trees.
See all them rocks?
Yeah.
And you dig a big deep hole here, like out on Division, that rock quarry. Anywhere you go down and dig a deep hole here, you get 1,000,000 tons of gravel.
Ooh, free gravel?
That's gravel. Big gravel, little gravel. But it's fresh from the volcano. And then the Columbia River flowed over the whole city.
Free gravel. Dirt
The whole
gravel.
valley, I think, was
Amazing.
part floodplain from the Columbia River.
Woo! Is this another trampoline? No.
You can end up falling on your butt. Like your dad said.
I'll be back in a second.
I'll follow you. Don't get lost.
So much debris everywhere. There's debris everywhere. If you look over here, you'll see a chunk of a tree. You look down on the ground, there's just branches and junk everywhere. What's really crazy is this. Took up so much of the ground. Huge tree. If you look up, you can see that it knocked out branches. You can even see pieces of a tree. Can't really see the shadow in it right now, but you can see a chunk of the tree right there up in the tree. Not sure how old this tree was, but definitely was older.